Japan's unveiling of the fully functional female AI robot, a step towards the future. Imagine a world where robots don't just exist in factories or as simple machines to carry out repetitive tasks, but where they closely resemble humans, both in appearance and in behavior. Japan is leading the charge in making this vision a reality, unveiling a new era in robotics that could redefine the way we live, work, and connect. One of their latest innovations is a fully functional female AI robot that has sparked global fascination. But these aren't your typical robots. They're designed to look, move, and even express emotions like humans, taking robotics to a whole new level. So here's the big question. Could robots eventually fill roles traditionally held by humans? Japan seems to be inching closer to making this possibility real. These AI-powered robots go beyond just mechanical functionality. They engage with us on a deeper emotional level, offering companionship, support, and even meeting psychological needs. It's more than a technological feat. It's a glimpse into the future where robots could be an integral part of our everyday lives. What once seemed like a far-off dream from science fiction is now at our doorstep. A long-time dream becomes reality. For centuries, humans have been obsessed with the idea of creating machines that mirror our abilities and emotions. It's a theme that's popped up in countless books and movies. But guess what? The fantasy is now becoming reality, especially in Japan. Scientists and engineers have made breakthroughs in AI and robotics, and the result? Female robots that look astonishingly real and can perform an impressive range of tasks. They can walk, talk, and even mimic emotions, making them feel, well, almost human. Over the past decade, the race to develop lifelike robots has accelerated, and Japan is at the forefront of this technological revolution. These robots are designed to connect with people on a personal level, and they're more than just machines, they're companions. With such rapid advancements, we might be closer than ever to a future where robots and humans coexist seamlessly, blurring the lines between what's real and what's artificial. Would you invite a robot like this into your life? Japan's making sure that it's not a question of if, but when. The allure of female AI robots, more than just machines. One of the most captivating features of Japan's female AI robots is how they appeal to a particular audience, especially men who prefer spending time at home. These robots are not just advanced pieces of technology, they are designed to offer emotional and psychological support, making them an ideal companion for those who may have difficulty forming traditional relationships or simply want the comfort of companionship without the complexities. It's a new way to connect with technology on a deeper level, and many people find it incredibly fulfilling. A big part of what makes these robots so attractive is the level of customization they offer. Users can tailor their robot to meet personal preferences, choosing physical traits like height, weight, and facial features to create a companion that aligns with their ideal. This personalization helps bridge the gap between machine and companion, making the robots feel more human-like. With built-in AI, these robots can engage in meaningful conversations, pick up on emotional cues, and provide a sense of closeness that many users value. The secret to success: realism like never before. What sets these female robots apart is their incredibly lifelike design. Japan has perfected the use of advanced materials, such as silica gel, to mimic the look and feel of human skin. This unique material, combined with an internal system that maintains a stable body temperature, makes these robots feel almost indistinguishable from actual humans. The ability to maintain warmth adds to the sense of realism, creating the impression of genuine human touch. But the realism doesn't stop with just physical features. These robots come equipped with advanced sensors that enable them to interact with their surroundings in a lifelike way. They can respond to touch, recognize familiar faces, and even simulate emotional responses. This makes them more than just machines. They become active participants in their user's life. For many men, these robots have taken the place of a real partner, providing emotional support and companionship that once seemed impossible through technology. It's an impressive step forward, making people wonder just how far this new era of human-robot interaction will go. Personalization and emotional connection. One of the standout features of these AI robots is their ability to be completely customized, not just in appearance, but in personality as well. Users can select specific traits, behaviors, and even mannerisms that align with their ideal companion. This level of customization is particularly beneficial for individuals who may find social interactions or relationships challenging. These robots offer a sense of emotional fulfillment that caters to the unique needs of their owners, creating a more personalized experience that goes beyond typical human interaction. This has made these robots particularly popular within certain subcultures, such as anime, manga, and video game enthusiasts, often referred to as otaku in Japan. For those who have specific ideals when it comes to aesthetics or personalities, the ability to create a robot that aligns with these preferences is a major draw. More than just a physical companion, these robots provide emotional support, helping users form connections without the complexities that often come with human relationships. Balancing gender gaps. On a larger societal level, Japan's advancements in robotics are addressing significant gender imbalances, with a notable disparity between the male and female population, especially in certain regions. Female AI robots offer a unique alternative for companionship. For many men who face social isolation or emotional challenges due to this imbalance, these robots serve as a way to reduce feelings of loneliness and provide emotional support in a world where traditional relationships may be less accessible. This raises interesting questions about the future of human relationships. While some see these robots as a positive solution for those who are struggling with social isolation, others are concerned that their widespread use could contribute to deeper societal issues, such as the decline of traditional partnerships and increased loneliness. Still, in a country facing an aging and shrinking population, these robots present a potential answer to the growing concern of emotional and social disconnect. Whether seen as a benefit or a challenge, the role of these robots in Japanese society is undeniably significant, sparking conversations around what human connection will look like in the future. The role of robots in everyday life. As robots become more embedded in daily routines, their potential stretches far beyond just providing companionship. They can assist with a variety of tasks, such as household chores, personal care, and even emotional support. One of the unique advantages of robots is that they don't come with the emotional baggage that human relationships often carry. There are no disagreements, misunderstandings, or conflicts. Robots are designed to follow commands and serve their owners obediently. This makes them an attractive option for individuals who find human relationships challenging, or simply prefer the ease and reliability that robots offer. Beyond personal companionship, robots are also beginning to take on roles traditionally held by humans in sectors such as caregiving and administrative work. As their capabilities improve, it's expected that they'll take on even more responsibilities in society. Looking ahead, robots could become a vital part of daily life, offering both practical solutions and emotional support as they continue to evolve. The future of robots and human-like behavior. The future of robotics is brimming with possibilities, as researchers explore the limits of what machines can achieve. In the near future, robots might take on tasks once thought impossible, including the ability to reproduce. While today's robots lack biological reproductive capabilities, scientists believe that breakthroughs in biotechnology and robotics could one day make this a reality. While the idea of robots reproducing may seem far-fetched, it's not entirely out of reach. For example, robots like Grace, designed for healthcare, are already interacting with humans on a more emotional level, offering comfort and care to patients. These developments showcase how robots are becoming more involved in sensitive, human-like roles. As technology advances, we may see robots filling positions that we never imagined machines could handle, blurring the lines between human and robotic interactions even further. Medical robots revolutionizing healthcare. Robots are rapidly transforming the healthcare sector, and one of the most groundbreaking innovations comes from medical robots like Grace, developed by Hanson Robotics. Grace is designed to provide care and support for the elderly and individuals isolated due to illness or disability. Her human-like appearance makes her approachable, creating a comforting environment in settings where emotional well-being is just as important as medical attention. Grace is equipped with sophisticated AI that allows her to monitor patients' vital signs, assist in diagnosing medical conditions, and interact with them on a personal level. This seamless integration of technology not only enhances the quality of care, but also helps to reduce the strain on healthcare professionals. During the COVID-19 pandemic, robots like Grace proved to be invaluable, offering care to patients while limiting human-to-human contact and reducing the risk of virus transmission. As healthcare challenges persist globally, robots like Grace are poised to play an increasingly essential role in the future of medical care. Beyond robots like Grace and Nadine, other innovations such as Garvin are making waves in hospitals and nursing homes. Garvin is equipped with the capability to perform routine tasks, such as monitoring vital signs and administering medication, while also stepping into roles traditionally reserved for doctors. For example, Garvin can assess patients' conditions, provide diagnoses, and offer medical recommendations, reducing the workload on human healthcare professionals. However, the rise of robots in the medical field brings up significant ethical concerns. While robots can enhance the efficiency and quality of care, their widespread use raises issues about patient privacy and the potential displacement of healthcare workers. Finding the right balance between technological innovation and preserving the essential human touch in healthcare will be crucial as robots take on more responsibilities in medical environments. The rise of emotional intelligence in robots. One of the most fascinating advancements in robotics is the development of emotional intelligence. Robots like Nadine are breaking new ground by not only performing tasks, but also forming meaningful emotional connections with users. Nadine's ability to recognize faces, remember past conversations, and respond to emotional cues makes her an ideal companion, especially for those who feel isolated, such as individuals with autism or dementia. Nadine's emotional intelligence is what truly sets her apart. She's more than a machine performing duties. She engages in real conversations, providing emotional support that can be life-changing for those who need companionship. Her interactions allow her to learn and adapt, gaining a deeper understanding of her users over time. This ability to connect on an emotional level makes Nadine a valuable companion, capable of enriching lives by offering more than just mechanical assistance. Sophia, the robot that changed the world. Sophia, arguably the world's most famous robot, made her debut in 2016 and instantly became a global phenomenon. With her remarkably human-like appearance and cutting-edge AI, Sophia captured the imaginations of people worldwide. Unlike traditional robots, Sophia can express emotions, engage in conversations, and even joke with her human counterparts, making her more relatable and lifelike. In 2017, Sophia made history by becoming the first robot to be granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia, marking a significant milestone in the relationship between humans and robots. This groundbreaking moment raised important questions about the role of robots in society and sparked discussions about what rights and responsibilities intelligent machines like Sophia should hold. Her fame also ignited debates about how robots may eventually take on roles traditionally filled by humans, from caregiving to leadership positions. The ongoing debate over AI and robotics. As robots like Sophia continue to evolve, the debate surrounding AI's role in society grows more heated. Proponents argue that robots can dramatically improve human life by taking over dangerous, repetitive, or emotionally challenging tasks. On the flip side, critics worry that the rapid advancement of AI could lead to job losses, increased inequality, and even a reduction in human autonomy. The rise of robots with advanced AI brings up crucial ethical questions about the boundaries of machine intelligence. Should robots be entrusted with decision-making powers that directly affect human lives? Can robots genuinely understand human emotions, or are they simply responding based on pre-programmed algorithms? These are the central issues fueling the ongoing discussions about the future of AI and robotics in human society. The role of AI in decision-making and the impact on the workforce. A key benefit of AI is its ability to make decisions using objective data, free from the biases, emotions, and human errors that can influence our judgment. Robots like Sophia are designed to process vast amounts of information quickly and accurately, which makes them ideal for decision-making roles in sectors such as healthcare, finance, and logistics. In these fields, AI can provide insights that improve efficiency, precision, and speed, potentially leading to better outcomes. However, entrusting robots with important decision-making raises questions about accountability and transparency. If a robot makes an error, who bears the responsibility? Can we trust robots to act in our best interests, or are their actions shaped by the intentions and biases of their programmers? These are crucial issues that must be addressed as AI becomes more integrated into processes where decisions have significant consequences for human lives. The rise of AI in the workforce also presents significant challenges. As robots and automation take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, concerns about job displacement grow. Industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and retail are already seeing robots perform duties that once required human labor, and this trend is expected to continue. While some experts argue that AI will open up new opportunities and create different kinds of jobs, there's a legitimate fear that the transition will lead to widespread unemployment and growing economic inequality. To manage this change, governments and businesses will need to find a way to balance technological progress with protecting the livelihoods of workers who may be affected by these advancements. Robots and the future of humanity. As we move forward, robots are expected to become even more integrated into human society. From healthcare assistance to companionship and even decision-making, robots are poised to take on increasingly important roles in our lives. But with these advancements come deeper questions about the essence of humanity. As robots become more intelligent, creative, and capable of emotional interaction, what will it mean to be human? Could robots eventually surpass us in terms of intelligence and emotional understanding? These are profound questions without clear answers yet. However, one thing is undeniable. Robots are here to stay, and their influence on our world will only continue to grow. Whether we welcome them as partners in our everyday lives or approach them with caution, robots will undoubtedly shape the future in ways we can barely begin to imagine. The future of humanity, in many ways, is tied to the evolving role of robotics and AI in our world. The robot revolution is now. The robot revolution is no longer a futuristic concept. It's unfolding before our eyes. From Japan's advanced female AI robots to medical helpers like Grace and companions like Nadine, robots are transforming our world. As they become more involved in daily life, the question of whether they can replace humans grows more pressing. While the future remains uncertain, one thing is sure: robots are here to stay, and their influence on society will only expand. Whether we welcome or resist it, robots will shape the future ahead.